So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can solve your camera problems in Oppo A54. So here we go. So guys, at first you have to go in your settings, and after going in settings you have to search for app management. So here you have to go, and after that you have to go in app list and you have to search for camera, and after searching in camera, so guys, make sure that you have to click in this force stop, and after clicking the force stop you have to come in the storage users and you have to clear this clear cache, and after that you have to clear data, and after that you should come to the permission ones, and after coming in permission click in storage, and after that you have to allow all your permissions, and after that you have to come in your phone and you should be allow, and guys you should come back again, and you have to search for software update. So guys, if your update is available, so guys, make sure that you should available update should be updated. So guys, this what you have to do, and if still your camera is not working, so you have to do your mobile reset once. After resetting your mobiles, I hope that it will work really. So guys, if you really like this video, then hit the like buttons, and thanks for watching this video.